My iPhone is the most used gadget in a day. So based on my experience, I have curated some of the most useful iPhone tips, tricks and hacks just for you in this video. Keep your iPhone ready, let's jump right in. If you're using the Pro Max or Plus models, it's impossible to message or type anything with one hand. So what you can do is long press the smiley icon like this in WhatsApp, iMessages, Notes, or anywhere you would use the keyboard to type, and then you will get the option to move the keyboard to the right or left. So if you're right-handed like me, you can select this and start typing like a breeze. Talking about one-handed us, do you pinch and zoom your Google Maps and Apple Maps on your phone like this? How can you do this with one hand? Simple, just double tap and hold on the map. Now swipe up or down to zoom in or zoom out. So easy, right? Next up, your keyboard can become a trackpad by long pressing the spacebar like this. But what you can also do is long press on the spacebar. Now tap the keyboard with a different finger, and now you can swipe left, right, up or down to select a particular line or paragraph with precision. But if you want to select the entire text, tap here thrice, and if you want to select just the word, tap twice. Cool, isn't it? If you use a word or a sentence multiple times while chatting with someone, create shortcuts like these to speed up your typing. Go to Settings, General, swipe down, Keyboard, here select Text Replacement. Tap on the plus icon to add a phrase along with the abbreviation or shortcut. Now when you type this shortcut word, it will automatically expand into the word or a phrase you have just configured. So next time I'm busy working, I can quickly text my husband how much I love him. Now, a quick home screen tip. You can now stack up apps on home screen by long pressing and selecting the apps like this. And now you can move it to a different page and drop it there all at once. Are you buried deep down into settings and you want to go back to the main settings page? Do not press the back button multiple times. Instead, long press the arrow here. Now swipe down to select settings and you can go back to the settings main page directly. You can do this in Safari or Chrome too. Nifty, right? Is the text size too small on a web page? You can increase or decrease the text size on a Safari browser like this. The next set of hacks are all about screenshots and screen recordings. Do you want to take a screenshot of a full page or a web page instead of just the top screen? When you take a screenshot and open it, you will get an option here to select the full page. Select that and you will get the screenshot of the entire web page you are in. Click Done and save it to Files or Photos app to access the whole web page. Another small and nifty feature, when you take a screenshot and you want to share it with someone, instead of saving it to the files or photos and then opening a different app to send it to someone, you can just tap and hold the screenshot, go to home screen, open WhatsApp and drop it here directly. The next tip has been so useful for me. I got to know recently when you turn on the screen recording from the control center, long press on the icon again and turn on the microphone here. Now you can actually do a voiceover for your recordings directly. So cool, isn't it? This is going to be really helpful for content creators as well as explaining someone using a screen recording. The Photos app can recognize the images and text in your gallery. You can now copy paste a text from any image right from the Photos app like this. Photos app can also give you recipes of food you just captured. Just select the picture in the Photos app and swipe up to see the recipe. Next tip is all about Phone app. When you open the Phone app, just click the green caller button to open the recently dialed number. iPhone voicemail can transcribe the text as someone is speaking from the other end. So next time you get a call from an unknown number, you can decide to attend or not based on the live voicemail. I've been loving this feature so much. So if you've not been using them, turn it on right away by going to Settings, scroll down to the end, select Apps, and then scroll down, select Phone, and then Live Voicemail and turn it on. Lock my phone, take a picture, switch to front camera. Are you surprised? Your iPhones can now take vocal commands even without calling Siri. To do this, go to Settings, Accessibilities, scroll down, Vocal Shortcuts, and now you can turn this on. And then select Action in the bottom, click Continue, and now you can choose an action from the long list given below. I'll select Screen Capture here. Now type a phrase that you will be calling out to take a screenshot. Now you need to say the phrase thrice for your iPhone to learn and then click continue. Now if I say screenshot, wow, my iPhone will automatically capture the screen for me. The next tip is for all my friends who have motion sickness while using their phone in a moving vehicle. The iPhone can help you ease the problem. Swipe down the control center, long press to add more controls. Now swipe up to go to the vision accessibility section and then find vehicle motion cues. Add that to the control center, and now when you turn it on when you're in a car or a bus, the dot cues will help you reduce the motion sickness. Hey, while we are here, long press on the timer, you will get to select the timer duration and turn it on right from the control center. So cool, isn't it? I'm not done yet. I still have some more nifty features towards the end, and here we go. When you're busy scrolling on Instagram, WhatsApp, browser, music app, and you want to quickly go back to the top, instead of scrolling manually page by page, just tap on the top bar here and you will reach to the top of the page easily. This works pretty much on every scrollable app. When you're writing a note and you realize you have a typo or you want to undo stuff, simply shake the phone to undo this action. To do this, go to Settings, Accessibility, Shake to undo. Another cool thing to do in notes is if you are drawing a shape and you give it a pause after you finish the drawing, voila! You will have a perfectly looking shape just like this. It even works perfectly with screenshots and Photos app too. Want to do a quick calculation? Notes app in iOS 18 with the help of AI can do math calculation for you like this. If it's a simple calculation, even your search bar on the home screen can do basic calculation in a pinch. Now, if you want to share a picture with a friend, you can use the 3 fingers to pinch on the picture like this. Copy the picture and then go to WhatsApp or Messages and paste it like this. Finally, if you have a habit of listening to music before you fall asleep and then you're not able to turn it off because you dozed off, don't worry. Your iPhone can help you with that. While the music is still playing, open the clock, select timer, set the time here. I'm gonna set it for an hour and a half. Select when the timer ends, scroll down and then select stop playing and then set. Now your music will turn off when the timer goes off. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also want to know if you have any interesting tips and tricks. Please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you all in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.